How to use multiple users on Android. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily set up multiple users in your Android account. So the very first thing you want to do is check your availability. You want to go to settings and then find account and backup. Tap on accounts. In many cases you'll have here option called users. Then you can go over to that user settings to add another account. If you don't see it, your model or region may not support multiple users. Now to turn on users, you can enable multiple users and tap add users, and you can easily add a guest and create a separate profile. And you'll be able to access that via your notification panel here. You can toggle your option to switch users. Now in my case, Samsung phones, they do not provide you with a separate user account. What you can do instead is you can create a secure folder, and what it does is it can do an app level of separation for you, so you can log into each and every app with a separate account if you add it to your secure folder. So let me just show you that as well. Here I'm going to go ahead and simply open up secure folder. Once you open this up, you should be able to see the plus icon here to add different apps. Tap on it, and then you can select any app you want. Let's say if I want my Facebook to be logged into another account, select Facebook, tap on add, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.